Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the easiest way to draw a line on Canva. So what you need to do is go to Elements, and then over here you have Shapes, and you should find a line over here. If you can't see it over here, click on See All next to the Shapes category, and here you will have a bunch of different lines. You can use any of these, of course. I'm gonna choose this one. You can just simply click, and it should appear on your project. Now we can move it around, you can rotate it like so. You can extend it, and furthermore over here you also have a button that allows you to move around the line, and if you want to, over here you can change the color of the line. Over here you can click add a new color to choose something more specific, or even create your own gradient. Over here you also have the style, so if you want to, you can make lines like so. You can even make dots. You can also enable rounded endpoints, so if you close it and zoom in over here, then you will see that the lines are actually rounded over here. Furthermore, let's click again on the line. Over here you can choose the starting line, so you can select a pointer, as well as for the end of the line. Over here you can decide if you want it to be straight or elbowed like so. So here you can change it like so. So you can create something more fancy if needed. And of course we have animations and position settings, but that don't matter that much in this case. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!